to my kitchen. As y'all know from the last few videos, we have been on our little keto journey. So I have been sharing some really low carb dishes with you. And today is no different, although you can enjoy this whether you're on a low carb diet or not. So I'm going to show you a good way to use up a cabbage that you have, and it's really not that many ingredients, but instead of just doing bacon or sausage, which you can totally do with your cabbage, I'm going to mix it up today and we're going to add a little shrimp in it. So I've got most of my stuff prepped. I know y'all didn't want to see me chop and chop. So I've just got a small head of cabbage, a half of red bell pepper, and a half of onion cut up. I've got me some andouille sausage, and I have got some shrimp. And of course the seasonings we're gonna be using for those. But I'm gonna go ahead and get my pan hot back here and start cooking my sausage. Now you could use some bacon and fry all this in. You don't need the sausage. You can omit it, however you want to do it. But I'm actually going to use just a little bit of bacon grease in here to cook my sausage down, and then I'm going to take my sausage out and fry my vegetables in it. So let's get to it. All right, I've got my bacon grease in here. I'm just going to put my sausage in there and start frying that down. Go ahead and just put me some paper towel in here, because that's when I'm going to drain it on when it's ready. I'm just going to let this cook down just a little bit, and then I will start cooking some of the onion and bell pepper in here. You can just cook your meat, take it out, and then add all your vegetables. But this is what I'm going to do right now. You can do it in whatever order you want to do it in. But this bacon grease, y'all, I'm telling you, it does give it a lot of flavor. Alright, I've got these cooked up crispy, and I did change my mind. That is allowed. I think I'm just going to go ahead and take the sausage.
What do you mean that's allowed? You can't change your mind?
It is allowed. It's my kitchen, my rules.
Oh, okay.
You
need a sign that says that.
I tell everybody that all the time. It's your kitchen. Do what you want. So this is my kitchen. Technically it is yours too, but you don't use it. So now we're gonna just go on in here with these vegetables while this bacon grease and all that sausage goodness has been in there. Yummy, yummy. I'm just going to cook. Oh, it smells so good. You smell it? Already, Russell, you smell it?
Smell it.
All right, we're going to start seasoning these little vegetables. And do a little salt and pepper, you know, the garlic powder, onion powder. Put a little bit more grease in there because it's all absorbed. So we want it to have all that goodness. I'm just going to cook these down just a little bit, and then I'm going to add the cabbage in there. Yes, Lord. Get that seasoning on there. Yes. Go ahead with the garlic. I do garlic and onion powder on just about everything. But it's all good. It's all good. Because it's going to have a little different seasoning on it too, because when I put the shrimp in there, it is, we're going to season them shrimp really good too. Now I'm just going to start dropping this cabbage in here by the handful. I don't know about y'all, but my mama, boy, she could fry some cabbage. Most people that talk about cabbage are like, oh, I don't like cabbage. Well, we never had the boiled cabbage, the boring steamed or boiled cabbage. This is how we had it. We had it fried up. Normally it accompanied a big old pork chop or something. It was just so good. And I do love me some cabbage. I'm just gonna, it'll cook down a little bit. He thought he got away. It will cook down, and I will just keep adding more to this. And then I'll season it yet again. But you just have to keep it moving. You don't want to burn it. Drop me some more in there. Just keep it moving. And I'm just gonna let this cook down just a little bit. I'll keep adding this in. And then I'll show you what I'm gonna do with the shrimp and the sausage. All right, y'all, I've got these vegetables cooked up pretty tender. It turns that little dark color because I'm cooking it in a cast iron, and I didn't steam it, I fried it. So I'm gonna take this out and put it in this bowl here. And then I'm gonna show you how to do the shrimp. And we'll get it all together. All right. All right, y'all, if you've never cleaned a fresh shrimp, I'm going to show you how to do it. Most of the time, if you buy it in the store already frozen, it's already been deveined and cleaned, and hallelujah, that's a good thing. But I have got some fresh shrimp. We went yesterday. We have a guy that comes to our local town, and the shrimp man, and he had some red shrimp. If y'all look at this, it looks like it's been cooked, but it has not. And I have deveined and cleaned all of this except 2 pieces. So I'm just going to show you. You just pinch off the tail just like so, and you're just going to fold this over. Got to get all their little clothes off, and it just pops right off here. So we're going to stick him over here because he hadn't been cleaned. We're just going to do this second one. But the guy pinched the head off for me, so that was good. Now, you can do this, you can do this 1 or 2 ways. You can take a knife and just cut it down like this. See that little vein in there? They call it a vein, but if you really want to know what it is a digestive tract, and you do not want to eat that. I mean, it's safe if you do eat it. I'm sure you've, see how that looks? We won't get all that yucky out. And I'm sure you've ate shrimp before and you bit into it. It's like, Lord, this shrimp is crunchy. Well, this is why. And you just take this, and I like to use a skewer or a toothpick. And like I said, you don't have to cut it with a knife. And there's even actually a tool for it. But I just take it, and see how I just turn that around? Just spin it, and it comes right out. So, easy peasy. It does take just a little time, but fresh shrimp, it's really good and worth it. All right, so I've got it deveined, and now we're going to just season it up just a little bit. And once again, you can season it however you want it. I'm going to put a little bit of accent. I'm going to put a little smoked paprika in mine. Just give it just a little flavor. And I have some Cajun 2-step. You can use whatever you got. I'm just going to put a little bit in that because to me it is really hot. Russell says I'm a wuss, but it's really hot to me. Little onion powder, little garlic powder. And I might do just some, instead of salt, I might just put a little bit of the Lawry seasoned salt, like an all-purpose season or whatever. Just a little bit in there. Not much. I'm just going to give this a little mix. Want all that good flavor in there. All right, and I think I'm going to add just a little bit of parsley in here as well. Give a little splash of color in there. All right, these are ready to cook. I've got my my pan back here ready to go. Now I'm just going to fry them, and you know shrimp doesn't take long at all. I'm just going to get them real happy, and then I'm going to just put it all together. But I'm going to go ahead and start frying these shrimp. All right. And I'm just using the same little bit of bacon grease for these because we want them all to have the same. All right, the shrimp's done. I'm gonna go ahead and put this, the cabbage mixture back into the pan. And I am gonna add my little sausage too and just let them all get acquainted in here. Look at that, y'all, look at that. Good old cabbage. Cabbage and shrimp. I was just telling Russell too, I said, you could actually add you some chicken broth and some little tomatoes or something, like crushed tomatoes and some okra. This would make an excellent gumbo. We do love us some gumbo, don't we, Russell?
We do.
We like it. Something jumping out. But this is ready to go. You getting ready to taste it, Russell?
I'm ready. My
You hungry?
stomach's growling.
All right, I'm gonna add just another little bit of black pepper on top. And we'll get this dished up. This is ready. All right, it is all ready and ready for Russell to give it a little taste. It didn't take too long. This was easy to just whip up. Probably the worst amount of time was spent just prepping it. But you can do that ahead of time and have it thrown together for dinner in no time at all. So come on, Russell. Now, he has not tasted this.
Nope.
This is his.
I've been watching it cook, though.
He's been watching it cook.
Hey, Dan.
Hey, everybody.
Hey, everybody. Hey, YouTube.
All right. We've got some cabbage and some sausage and some shrimp and all kind of goodness.
It looks delicious.
It is. It does sound it. It
Yeah,
looks. I've
absolutely.
already snuck a little taste.
What'd you think of it?
I thought it was delicious.
Well, good.
I thought it was delicious.
We on Facebook, I see this guy all the time, and he's from the Low Country, but he goes all over the state of South Carolina on Fridays and Saturdays, I think, and has fresh seafood. He's got trailers that he takes to different places, and he gets them in fresh every single week. So people here in the upstate, that's 3 hours from the coast, we can get some fresh stuff.
Some fresh shrimp from the Shrimp Man.
I don't think he has a YouTube or anything like that, but he does have social media, and I will link it in the description.
He's on Facebook, right?
He's definitely on Facebook, yeah.
So if you're up in our area,
Or really anywhere in South Carolina. He goes all over the state.
you can find him.
Yeah, anyway. I'll put that in the description.
Yes.
Yeah, I wanted something different.
He wanted some shrimp.
Yeah.
He wanted some shrimp, so.
This is very different than what we usually eat shrimp with.
Yeah, normally I don't think I've ever put it in cabbage, to be honest.
Right.
But we always do the sausage or the bacon, and it's good anyway. But this is really good.
Yeah. Well,
Give it a shot. Give it a try.
Let me get me a piece of shrimp.
Get you a little bit of everything.
And sausage there.
Sausage.
Cabbage.
Yep.
Alrighty.
In you go.
Mm-hmm. It's amazing.
Good, good.
Absolutely. I wouldn't have thought shrimp would have paired with cabbage that well, but it's absolutely delicious.
It is. It's good.
I mean, it's kind of like gumbo, really. Got a little bit of gumbo flavor.
Yep. I put a little bit of that Creole seasoning on it.
Got a little kick to it.
Just a little kick. Whoop, right in the throat.
It ain't bad. It's very good. It's very good.
Yeah.
I like hot stuff anyway, so
He does. It don't bother me.
it's perfect for me. But, yeah, that is delicious.
Yep, and it's low carb still. I know peppers and onions have a little carb in it, and cabbage, of course, does too. But it's still not as bad as like mashed potatoes or rice or pasta. No, and you got your protein, your vegetables, all in one. Just a one and done.
Delicious.
Good.
Absolutely delicious.
Very good.
Yeah, I'm ready to dig into the full amount here.
All right. He said this is just a little taste. This ain't his real plate.
No, that's not my plate.
Yes. All right, y'all. Well, I appreciate you watching.
We both do. Thank you very much.
Yes, if you've made it all the way to the end, hallelujah, glory. You did good.
Yeah,
Thank you. We appreciate it.
Watching to the end with us.
Yes, absolutely. But anyway, if you're looking for a little low carb something to try, you got some cabbage or some vegetables you need to get rid of, this is perfect.
Yes.
Perfect.
It is delicious, I'm telling you.
It's good.
Try this one because it's fantastic.
Very good. All right, y'all. Till next time.